Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. For all of our regular viewers, you'll know me. I'm John. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. Our English-speaking team are here in Pattaya for all your legal needs, those being legal, lawful and or accounting. So if you're ever passing Big C Pattaya Thai, come in, speak to the team, book an appointment. We're here to assist. Now today we are here to talk about policing fines, road traffic laws and the changes that have happened in 2026 and effectively from the 1st of April. Over the past couple of months, we have been in an education phase with the Royal Thai Police. That's where if you've been stopped committing a moving road traffic offence, let's say speeding, not wearing a helmet, not wearing a t-shirt, having too many passengers, whatever the case may be, they've been in the education phase of stopping drivers, warning them as to their conduct, warning them as to why they're breaking the laws and trying to educate. This is for both Thai and overseas nationals. However, that period of education has now come to an end. As of the 1st of April, it is now in the enforcement stage. And any stops for unlawful riding, driving, etc. will be enforced straight away as a financial penalty or other, depending on the circumstances. Now, a lot of people ask, what's it like when you get stopped? Do I pay the police? How do I get out of this? Thailand is going through a period of change. They're trying to clean up all of the agencies. They're trying to make policing more transparent and to give you peace of mind and know that you aren't paying a police officer, you're actually paying the state or the kingdom. So how do we recognise this? People will say, I've been stopped, I paid 1,000 baht and I was let on my merry way. That may or may not still exist, but now it is more heavily regulated. And most of the time, the law is being applied by the officers correctly as per legislation. So let's have a look. So it's a sight every tourist in Pattaya dreads. A white glove waving you to the side of the road. You might be down on Pattaya Beach Road by Soi Police Station. You're coming along and there's the roadblock. There's the police check. You're riding your motorbike or your moped. You've got no shirt on. You've got no helmet on. And the white glove is pulling to one side. So are you thinking, am I going to get fined? Is this the sergeant's lunch money? Well, like I said, we're now in the enforcement stage. In 2026, the rules for police fines in Thailand have changed. There's a new warning policy, a new digital payment system, and a very thin line between a legal fine and an illegal bribe. The police are now acting professionally. So keep your money in your pockets and stay on the right side of the law. First, like I said, the good news. As of 2026, January, February, the new fine system came into about, which has gone digital. So how do we do this? Under the policy, if you're caught for a minor offence, like forgetting your indicators or a minor lane split, and you have a clean record, usually a ticket is the first port of call. The catch is, initially, if they warn you, you only get one, and then it's on to the fines and enforcement stage. So remember, no under the payment fines, no under the payment bribes, etc. So if you are getting a legitimate ticket, a real ticket will be issued physically or via a digital ticket with a barcode. If they take your physical license, they must give you a ticket in exchange. That ticket then acts as your temporary license for 7 days. If you're in a location and they ask you to walk to a side street where there's no CCTV, that could be a stark reminder of the days of old. Real fines are paid digitally or at the police station. Days are now over where having to trek lengthy ways to get to a police station are again over. On these apps now, they have the majority of Thai banks already listed. K Plus, SCB, Bangkok Bank, Krung Thai, they're all there and you scan the barcode, you hit go, and that's it, it's done. Next option, 7-Eleven. We've all been there, we pay with water, we pay with gas, we pay with electric. Basically it's the same. You go to 7-Eleven, you take your ticket in, you hand it to the cashier, you pay your fine, and off you pop. The new PTM website, you can log into ptm.police.go.th to check your fine and history and to pay via credit card. If your ticket is overdue, you can no longer pay it online. You'll have to then go to the police station, taking up time, energy, and effort. And it can be any station nationwide. So if you are caught in Bangkok and you're living in Pattaya, Chiang Mai, wherever, you can pay it locally. So, what is the takeaways from this? Legitimate fines will be a real-time hard copy ticket. They'll have a barcode and a ticket number on it. Or if it's digital, they'll have all of the same with options to pay. Again, if you're asked to step aside and pay on the spot, then that should raise alarm bells. Always carry your ID or a copy of your ID, because road checks and circumvent and in and around Pattaya, they're also looking for that because they have to be able to identify you as a person to issue the ticket. If you've got any problems speaking with an officer, remember you can speak to the tourist police on 1155. They're there to help and assist with communication. So, quite simply, stay fine-free, stay legal, comply with the road traffic laws, wear a helmet, wear a shirt, do what you're supposed to do. That's the easiest way to avoid fines, tickets, and penalties. If in doubt, and if you need any legal assistance, criminal, civil, or otherwise, our experienced team here at Anglo Legal are here for all of your legal needs. So I hope this explains the new ticketing system, the rules for enforcement, and gives you the heads up about what is the real ticket and the real methods of payment, and what is potentially the old-fashioned system that is on its way out for good. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We're here to provide updates for you, our expat community. Speak soon.